Namaste. Welcome to Akanksha Desire for Wellness. In today's video, I'll be sharing the power of 5 key ingredients of Indian kitchen that will help you to get rid of cough and throat pain. These 5 ingredients are dry ginger, cinnamon, khadi sakhar, which is also called as rock sugar, clove and turmeric. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger, which is also called as salt, with 1/4 teaspoon of honey, and take this mixture 2 to 3 times a day, which will be helping you to get rid of dry cough. Chest cough is often triggered by excessive mucus. In such cases, haldi is very good. Boil 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder in a glass of milk and have this milk 2 to 3 times a day. If cough is very severe, then directly take 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder and swallow it along with your saliva. After half an hour, you can drink water. If there is constant cough, then keep chewing clove. In case of throat pain, take 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder mixed with khadi sakhar. So instead of taking cough syrup or chewing tablets all the time, try out these dani ka nuskhas. Let's go back to our roots and make our lives healthier and happier.